Hi everyone, it's Michelle from the Charleston County Public Library Tech Team at the main library. I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favorite features of Microsoft Excel. It's the AutoSum feature. The AutoSum feature can prove to be very helpful if you have to add up long columns or rows of numbers. I hope that you find this Tuesday tech tip very helpful. Here we have a sample budget that covers an entire year. What we want to discover is the amount that we're going to need per month. Then we are going to discover what that adds up to over a year. First, we're going to enter in the Excel sum function to see how it can take a good deal of time if we have to do that for each row or column. Then we will see how the AutoSum feature helps us cut that time way down. In order to enter the sum function, we're going to place our cursor in the cell B10 under the data for the month of January. Then we're going to go up to the formula bar. We're going to enter in equal sum and then B5, which is our top, and then B9, which is our bottom value, and that is our sum function. When we hit the enter key, it should total up all of our numbers for January. So we have $2,160. Next, we come over to the month of February, and we've decided that we don't want to enter in the formula. So we're going to put our cursor into the cell below our data. We're going to go up to the command ribbon to the AutoSum, and we're just going to hit the button. There is our formula. We can hit enter, and there is our data. Another great thing about the AutoSum feature is that you can copy it from one cell to the next. And you'll see all I did was click on that cell, and there's our sum function, and I dragged it all the way across, and it copied our sum function to each of the cells below the data for that month. And you'll see that we have varying values here because I changed the numbers up a little bit. Now, if we decide that we want to do the yearly total, we can come here and we can actually highlight all of these, come here and hit the AutoSum button, and we're going to need $25,815. Likewise, if we want to figure out per item here, we can come and highlight all of these fields and then to our empty field, hit the AutoSum feature, and we're going to need $1,440 for electricity, $775 for water, $12,000 for rent. And we can do what we did before down here, and we can drag this down and it'll auto sum all of these fields. And if you want to double check, you can click in this field here and then look up on your formula bar, and you'll see that you'll have the formula for B9 through M9, which would be B9 through M9, and that will give you your sum there. I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you. If you have any questions about this video or have any tech questions for us, please feel free to get in touch. You can email us at techteam@ccpl.org or call us at 843-805-6885. We look forward to hearing from you.